Okay, hello everyone. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use our classwiz calculator to get the z-score when we are given the probability. Okay, so of course, before we use the calculator, we must understand the concept first. Okay, so for this type of question, we have three patterns. Okay, the three main pattern. Okay, so let's say for the first pattern, okay, we are given the probability for the z-score, okay, more than A, okay, is equal to 0.3. So when we draw the normal distribution graph, okay, and we shape the region, okay, is over this side. Okay, so later in the calculator, we have to key in 1 minus 0.3, which is 0.7. Because the classwiz calculator understand the things are start from the negative part. Okay, so start from the negative part means we have to key in this part into the calculator. Okay, so this is the answer. We're going to check later. Okay, the second pattern is for the z-score less than A. Okay, then the probability is 0.052. Okay, so when we draw the graph is like this. So it's already start from the negative side. Okay, so to key in, we just key in the 0.052. Okay, no need to change anything. Okay, then for pattern 3, okay, for z-score more than A, probability 0.65. So when we draw the graph, okay, it's like this. Okay, so this one we have to do something, okay, because it haven't start from the negative side. Okay, so of course it's the same technique. We use 1 minus 0.65, okay, equals to 0.35. So we are going to key in 0.35 later. Okay, it will be this part. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, for pattern number 4, okay, pattern number 4, this is start from the 0.55, okay, until K. So this is the graph. So for this one, you have to do some calculation first, okay, in order to get the K out. Okay, so we do the calculation. So the probability for this part is only 0.0942. Okay, then we draw the graph. You see, it is not start from the negative side. So we have to do the 1 minus, okay, to get this one, okay, which is start from the negative side. Okay, so we're back to the pattern 1 actually. Okay, we're back to the pattern 1 actually. So that's why these three are the main patterns. Okay, then number 5. Okay, for K until this one. Okay, so we draw the graph is like this. So sure, we have to do some calculation, okay, to get this one out. Okay, so after we get this out, okay, this is 0.255. So it's already start from the negative side. So we don't have to do anything. So just key in the 0.255. So this come back to our pattern 2 just now. Okay, pattern 2. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to use a classwiz calculator. Okay, so again, we press the menu button, okay, and then 7. Okay, now we choose number 3 for the inverse normal. Okay, so the area is the number that we have to key in. Okay, so for example, number 1, so we key in 0.7. Okay, so for the standard deviations and the mean, we don't have to do anything. Okay, so we just press enter. Okay, so the answer is 0.524. Okay, for the z-score, we're going to take 3 decimal places on it. So 0.524. Okay, so we check for the second one. Okay, the area is 0.052. Okay, just press enter. Okay, so the answer is negative 1.626. So the calculator is automatically give us the negative, okay, if the thing should be in negative. Okay. Okay, then the last pattern for this one is just 3 patterns, so I check everything. Okay, so for the third pattern, so we key in 0.35. Okay, so the answer is negative 0.385, okay, which is tally. Okay, so I think we are confident that for number 4 and number 5 is also, we are going to get the correct answer. Okay, thank you, everyone.